Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Mailer and welcome to the STEM Challenge, The World Within. In a little bit we're going to be starting Chapter 3, but first I'd like to tell you about the course. Our course is about life on this planet. All life on this planet has a tremendous amount in common. Even though the life might look very different, for example, zebras from plants and oak trees and bacteria, all of them share a tremendous amount in common. Let's take a look at this next picture. This is a picture of one cell. All of us started as one cell. This is a picture of a human egg, probably a half hour after it was fertilized. In here was half the chromosomes from your mom and from your dad, and within a few hours, that one cell split into two cells. That split into 4 cells. That then doubled into 8 cells, and so forth. At this point, all of the cells are identical. However, after a period of time, those cells are going to start to change into muscle cells and skin cells. Well, what we talk about in this course is we talk about cells, we talk about the processes that go on inside, and we're also going to talk about the human body and what goes on inside the human body. We're going to bring in some technology, we're going to bring in some engineering, some bioengineering. We hope that you'll like the course, and welcome to STEM Challenge, The World Within.